Good morning, everybody. I hope all is well. No, I'm not cooking in a van today. This morning, I've got a new project. I've been wanting to get a different stove for quite some time now. So yesterday I got up on the face place, or on the market house on the face place, and started looking. And I come across a nice little 2-burner propane stove. I haven't cleaned it up yet or anything, but spoiler alert, here it is. And I'm going to cut a big hole in my counter and mount that down in there. So, I made a mess. Now I'm going to have to find somewhere to put all this stuff. But hey, and organize some more wires. However, there will be a 20-pound cylinder under there for the stove. So yeah, I'm going to have to find somewhere to put all this other stuff. But that's today's project. I'm going to be cleaning that up, testing it outside, and if it does work as promised, that's getting mounted into my counter. Yeah. Anyway, hopefully I'll be back shortly with updates. Alrighty. Here we go. Yes, fire extinguishers on hand just in case. As I stated, this is a new to me stove, which means it is a used stove. And I'm testing it. So let's see what happens. Alrighty, got it all set up. Got it plugged in for the electric igniters. Let's see what happens. Get right down here close to it in case it blows up. It's right in my face. Now. Okay, that one lit up real quickly. And that one lit up too. All right. It appears to work. Yep, it's creating heat. All right. Poof, real quick. Nice. I like it. Now I can take the time to go ahead and get it all cleaned up and purdied up and all that. Cut a big hole in my counter. You'll see what I mean here in just a little bit. Right now I'm just measuring up this hole that I'm going to put in here. Because the bottom side of that is 10 5/8 front to back and 20 1/8 wide. That way it sets down into the counter. So that's what I'm doing right now, is measuring and drawing that up, and then I'll be cutting a big hole in it. Oops, I almost started to cut the counter without the video running. Oh no. I've done drilled a pilot hole right here, and I'm going to put one in each corner so I can get the jigsaw down in there so I can make the rounded corners and all that, make it look like I seem like I know what I'm doing. We'll see how well that works out. That on slow. Go figure. Now we're gonna get it fancy. No, we're not. Now comes the fun part, actually cutting this square out of here. So, that is sawdust on bare feet. Oh my lord. Didn't think that one through, did I? Your big side goes over there. Turn on the inverter. Oh yeah, power. I'm gonna cut the hole small because you can always take more out of it, but you can't add any back when it comes to working with wood. So I'm gonna cut it small and then trim or sand it to fit. Check for any wires. Those are clear. Know the cut isn't straight. As I said, I will sand it to straighten it out and make it all fit right. And there you have it, a big hole in the counter. Alright, after going around that a couple times with the jigsaw over there, I didn't sand it, I just went ahead and trimmed the corners with the jigsaw. I got up under it and looked at it and saw what needed. Let's see if it fits. Look at there, the stove is in the counter. 3.5 to the edge. 3.5 to the edge, 7 from this side, 7 from that side. I'll be damned if I didn't get it almost square. And because of this, there's still room for the coffee maker. The ever important coffee maker. I'm gonna get a few things cleaned up, get about 12 pounds of sawdust out of here, and work on seeing if I can't put something down here to support that tank. And there we have it. A working 2-burner gas stove with a 20-pound cylinder. I love it. Yes, it's missing one knob. That gives me an excuse to put nicer knobs on it. Anyhow, that's done. That's in there. That's it. Cool. Now I don't have to take the stove down off the counter every single time I drive. I am really going to appreciate that. However, I now have a horrid mess to clean up. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to figure out how to get all that crap back under there. It ain't all going to fit. I'll just put the important stuff there. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit of organizing and see if I can clean this place up. I'll be back in a bit.